Until now, overseeding has been considered a necessary evil for those non-regular fields. In this video, we're going to talk about how to minimize overseeding and do it with your existing equipment. Hi, I'm Matt, president and founder here at Ready. My twin brother and I have been providing engineering solutions for the ag industry since 2006. I started Ready as a way to help farmers maximize the use of their existing equipment. The great news is you don't have to get rid of your John Deere 1910 cart that you already have and you already understand and you've maybe already made upgrades to. In fact, you should be able to get a lot more years out of your existing cart with this upgrade from Intelligent Ag. We are proud to carry Intelligent Ag's revolutionary product, the Engage Zone Control. This system is designed to work with your existing 2630 display and to work with those who have a tow-behind cart. Here's how it works. Your John Deere 2630 display already has a mapping feature and is looking ahead to see where you've already seeded. This system utilizes that same 2630 display and shuts off whenever overlap occurs. Whether you're coming in at an angle or you're finishing the last pass of the field or you have a slew to go around, each zone, up to 8 sections, is going to shut off to prevent costly overlap. This system allows you to retrofit your existing 1910 cart, whether you have the John Deere meter housings, whether you have any kind of aftermarket stainless steel meter housings, a machine that's from 2004 all the way to 2019. You separate the lower manifold from the meter housing and slip it right in and bolt it together. That means you're not doing expensive or costly hydraulic drive retrofit kits or upgrading to newer carts, and if it doesn't have hydraulic drive, you're needing to add that. This is going to work on a ground drive or a hydraulic drive system. For more information, check out our website at ready-ag.com or click the link below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe below.